Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to move objects in Google Slides. Now the first thing you need to know, if you're going to do anything to Google Slides, you have to be in edit mode. That's the mode we're currently in. If you are in present mode, if you were to click this button and go to present mode, if you notice there's not even anything here to move, and if I were to try to click on a box, all it's going to do is take me to the next slide, and I don't want to do that. I want to be able to manipulate this slide. So I need to get out of present mode, and to do that you can go down here and either click on the exit button or just hit the escape key on your keyboard and it'll take you back into edit mode. So if we notice over here we have a couple of boxes and we want to move these math equations into the correct or incorrect answer box. So again, this is just for demonstration purposes. These equations are super easy. So if we take a look at the first one, if I want to move 2 plus 2 equals 4, obviously that is correct. Just click on the box, grab, hold, and just drag it over into the correct box answer, or correct answer box. If I take a look at my second one, I'm going to move it over just so I can read it a little bit better. 7 minus 4 equals 2. Incorrect. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So that's going to go into the incorrect box. Just click, drag, drop. Our third box, if I drag it and move it so I can read it, 36 divided by 8 equals 4. Incorrect. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So we're going to move that over to the incorrect box. And then our last box, again, pick it up while you're holding the mouse button down, drag it, and it's 6 times 4 equals 24, so just pick it up, drag it into the correct answer box, and that's how you just move objects around in Google Slides. Hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.